Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this fascinator that is showing on your screen right now. So the size of my Sinnamay is 14 inches, and then the longest side, more like the base, is 15 inches. Okay, so you have to use Sinnamay. Sinnamay is stretchy, and it can take the shape that you want it to take easily. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to dip it into my little bowl of water. When you dip your cinnamon into water, or when you spray, if you have the spray bottle and you spray some water on your cinnamon, it will make it very easy to work with. It will make it stretchy. You can easily stretch it. You can easily form the shape you want to form without the cinnamon cutting or breaking off. Okay, so now that's why I'm dipping this into my little bowl of water so we can achieve a beautiful fascinator like the one you saw on your screen in the beginning of this video. Now you can see that I'm trying to stretch it, and then you see it is just taking the shape that I want. It is stretchy, right? Because of the presence of the water. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to dap. I will use my towel to reduce the moisture, the water that is on my cinnamon, okay? Because you don't want too much water on the cinnamon. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to start rolling the edges of my cinnamon. So this is more like we're trying to form rolled leaves fascinator. Now I applied little UHU glue, and then I'm going to start rolling. Please watch carefully. Watch how I'm rolling. I roll in and roll out. It's more like you're trying to okay, imagine using a rolling pin. You move in, you move forward, you move backward like that. That's how you use the tip of your fingers to achieve this. Just watch carefully. If you do not understand this, you can go back to the video and watch it again. Rewind and all of that. But then I'm going to do this till I get to the other end of my triangle. So please note, of course, the first thing you do is to cut out the shape of a triangle. I didn't know I didn't cover the part of cutting out my triangular shape, but you can make yours smaller than mine or same size or even bigger, depending on what you want to create or how you want your fascinator to look. Okay. So if your cinnamon comes pre-stiffened already, if it has enough stiffener on it, then you will not need to apply any glue. And of course, if you're a professional too, so mine is it doesn't have enough stiffener, so I had to use this glue. And if you're a beginner, then this glue method is just what you need to achieve the rolled leaves fascinator. So just keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. I would love to see your fascinator. So now I'm done. The next thing I'm going to do is to repeat the same thing on the other sides of my Sinnamay. So this is the end result. See how beautiful it is. Imagine how beautiful our fascinator will be. Now I'll start doing a running stitch at the base. First of all, what I'm trying to do here is to secure this end first, and then I'll do a running stitch to the other end, starting from this end of my Sinnamay leaf. So I'm done with my stitches. The next thing I'll do now is to cut off the excess off my Sinnamay leaf. Okay, now this is what we have. I have a smaller one already, and I'll be attaching the both of them together. But first, I'm going to do a running stitch at the down the base of my smaller leaf. Okay, then I'll attach them together. Please watch closely so you won't miss out on how I neatly attached them together to form my beautiful fascinator. If you're watching my video for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my weekly DIY videos that I drop every Wednesday by 3 p.m. Then for my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. So as you can see, I'm attaching my rose onto my fascinator. I'll keep doing this until it is firmly attached. Watch how I'm going to do this neatly. I'll attach the rose going in a circular, I'll take a circular motion so that all parts of the rose will be properly attached on my fascinator. Do you know you can be part of my training, my 2 weeks intensive training? You can be part of that training. All you need to do is to reach out to me. My WhatsApp number is showing on your screen. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So the next thing now is to attach my Alice band onto my fascinator. Watch how I'm going to do this attachment onto my fascinator neatly, okay? The final step is to cover up the stitched part on my Alice band, and that's all.